Hello everyone, do you want to know how to trade the non-farm payroll NFP? I am going to explain in this video how to trade it, how to buy or how to sell when you have an NFP news. Non-farm payrolls NFP measures the net change in US non-agricultural employment, and it is released monthly by the Bureau of Labor Statistics on the first Friday. In recent time, there was a change in the time of release, so you have to watch your Forex calendar and see when it's going to be released. And it reviews the economy's health through job creation, excluding farm, government, and private household workers. Strong NFP, that is, the news of the NFP, the value, when it beats forecast, it signals growth, and this boosts USD pairs like Euro USD lower, while weak data sparks sell-offs and volatility up to 100 plus pips. Traders capitalize by anticipating surprises against consensus estimates from calendars like Forex Factory. Now, here are some key NFP components. The report includes headline, job ads, e.g. plus 200k, unemployment rate target 4 to 5%, average hourly earnings, wage inflation proxy and revisions to prior months, a beat on jobs with rising wages hints Fed rate hikes, strengthening the dollar. Misses suggest cuts, weakening it. Released at 8:30 a.m. in the US, and then that is about 1:30 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. in Nigeria, based on the time of the year. And it fades. The initial spike fades in 15 to 30 minutes, sometimes in 1 hour. This is ideal for short-term trades. Now, trading NFP step-by-step guide. Number one, you have to prepare 24 hours before the news. Check economic calendar for forecast. These 24 hours, it can also be 12 hours, it can even be 2 hours. But it can also even be longer than 24 hours, because at the beginning of the week, you can scan the Forex Factory calendar for the week and then check all the major news releases will be marked in red. The minor ones will be marked in yellow. So all the ones marked in red, you can note them, and then you note NFP the first Friday of the month or any other time it is. So you prepare for this, and then you get ready. You look at the support, look at the resistance, then you also look at the trend. Is it bullish or is it bearish? So you get ready. Then 1 hour before the news, you set up. You use 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frames. You place straddle orders. Buy stop 15 to 20 pips above high, sell stop below low with 1 to 2% risk reward, with 30 pip stop loss, and then 60 pip take profit. So you risk 0.5% of your account maximum on ECM brokers for tight spreads, or even sometimes 1% or 2% depending on your risk appetite. Then you have to execute post-release. You have to wait 2 to 3 minutes for dust to settle. Enter breakouts in surprise direction, e.g. plus 300k versus 150k forecast. That is USD will be long. Move stop loss to break even at plus 20 pips. Trail or exit by 9:30 a.m. That is in about 1 hour's time after the news. Then manage and review. Scale out half at 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Then log slippage, then win rate. Then you have to demo test this 20 times first with pair with RSI for confirmation. Now, what is the risk management in this process of trading NSP? You have to skip trading during Fed speeches or correlated news. Use news filters on MT4, MT5 to pause EAs. Volatility suits scalpers. 1 to 5 minutes holds. Every swing traders. Volatility suits scalpers over swing traders. Then you need to backtest, and when you backtest, you should get 70% profits from discipline. This is not prediction. In 2026, AI sentiment tools enhance edges or NFP reactions. My name is Dr. Lubengaditun, and on this YouTube channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. I make a boast to say that if you keep coming on this channel for 6 months, your life is going to be changed. And if your life does not change after watching my videos daily for 6 months, you can go on and check other videos. That means I am not sent to you, but I am certain that I am sent to you. Now, talking about trading the NFP, I need to let you know that you can also trade the news feed, because the NFP news is also going to feed. How then do you trade the news feed? In trading the news feed, which I've done a video on, is that you allow the market to go in the direction it wants to go and just be looking at it, let it go far after the news. And this applies to any kind of currency and also applies to any kind of pair or any time frame. So allow the market to go in the direction it wants to go after the news, and just leave it, let it go very well, whether in the buy direction or the sell direction. Then you can enter in the opposite direction after you have allowed the news to go and just settle down. So usually it is going to retrace. It may retrace in 1 hour to what you want, in 2 hours or in 3 hours, but eventually it will retrace. And then once it retraces, you can take your profit and leave the market. This is a strategy I trade almost every time now, without fail and without fail. I will talk to you in the next one. If you have any question or comments regarding how you can trade this, you can let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any other question regarding forex trading or how to make money online and offline, if you have any question regarding forex trading or how to make money online and offline, contact me and we shall discuss together. I'll see you in the next one.